Hey guys, it's Naturally Nija. We are making cauliflower rice. So I did figure out that you're supposed to do it in small chunks. This is half of a head. I already used the other half a couple days ago. And I did have to cut off some brown pieces. So I realized when you refrigerate cauliflower after so many days, it does start to get a little brown and gray. So I did cut off some of that. I still have a little bit left, if you can see. But I did it in small chunks and I just posted for a couple seconds. I did not do grind or blend. I simply posted for a couple seconds. And then the consistency that I'm looking for, I do want it to have a rice-like consistency. So this is good for me and I like it, and I'm gonna stir fry it. So this is cauliflower rice in the making, and I have some other stuff that will go with it. But yep, that's it. So Naturally Nija, follow me on YouTube and Instagram if you're not already. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my cauliflower over here. I just figured I would show it just so you can kind of see. And this is the kind of, I have a Oster blender. I've had this a long time, and the glass blender actually broke. So this little compartment, this is the processor, food processor attachment. It's one of those blenders that came with a whole bunch of attachments. So I am literally going to put the cut up cauliflower, so I cut them up in smaller pieces so that they will grind down quicker and easier. So let's hope while I'm on camera everything works out the way I want it to, right? Okay, just getting my few little pieces. I should have probably did this on the same counter, but nonetheless, we're gonna work with what we got. And just kind of checking. Okay, yep, that looks good. And we're gonna just do pulses, and I have an option to do low or high. I'm doing low for now. Let's see, and I'm gonna pulse it. Just gonna pulse it a little bit more. It's getting there. It's getting there. It really is good. Do one more time for good measure. And there we have it. We have our cauliflower rice. And this is what it looks like. So you want to see the consistency. I like it. Do it how you want it. Some people like a little bit bigger pieces. Because I'm trying to tell my brain that this is like rice, the little small grain rice, I like mine to be like this. So there it is. Okay, I'm gonna saute, stir fry, put a little bit of, either I'm gonna use olive oil or butter. I'm trying to tamper that down, but I'm gonna put that in there, season it with some turmeric and some onion powder, garlic powder, so a little bit of Tony Chachere's, make it taste good, and then we gonna go from there. All right, quick and easy cauliflower rice, guys. Keep watching me, Naturally Nija. Bye. Okay guys, so this is the cauliflower. As you can see, I got a really nice pan full of cauliflower. I already put in a little bit of garlic. I probably need to turn my fire down. And I am using the Earth Balance. I did put 1 tablespoon in. I'm gonna put a little bit more. And at least I want you to see the seasonings that I'm gonna use for this. Hey. I want you to see the seasonings. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. I just like to have a little sizzle when I put my food in my pan. That sizzle just kind of tells me things are waking up. So I got a little bit of garlic and onion powder. I don't measure. This kind of stuff to me is good stuff. So I just season it how I like. I do like to cook with Tony Chachere's. I use this in pretty much everything, and they tell you that it is great on everything. Plug the Tony Chachere's if you want to do a paid partnership. I'm available, Naturally Nija. Yeah. Put a little Tony's in there. I am going to put a little bit more avocado, and I know I should be watching this oil level, but I don't want to burn it either, and I want it to have a little bit of taste. We're going to do a little bit of pink Himalayan salt just to kind of marry all those flavors together. I do try to put it in my hand first. I don't want to just dump it in there because I'm really trying to be light on the salt as much as possible. I am in the beginning stages of my journey, so, you know, be easy on the comments. But some of y'all probably already got something to say about what I may be doing. I'm not here for you. I'm here for the people that want to learn, just like I'm learning, and I'm going to share what I'm learning. I did a little bit of pepper, and feel like this is starting to stick, so I want to put some water on here. I just happen to have my water nearby, so I'm just putting a little bit of water because I don't want it to stick. All right, so this is real easy. You see, I'm not even on 3 minutes yet. 2 minutes of cooking. I cook this till it's soft to my liking. If you know how you're cooking your cauliflower regularly without making it a rice, it doesn't take long to steam. So I'm gonna let that cook. I'm gonna turn down my heat a little bit so you can kind of see that I turned it down as much as I can. I'm gonna put a lid on it and just kind of let it steam just a little bit, cook a little bit, and we're good. So that's me cooking cauliflower rice. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. I'm on Instagram. Of course, I'm right here on YouTube. And follow me, like, share, subscribe. Tell me what's going on. Thanks. Thanks for watching, guys. Naturally Nyjah.